Yoga for Burnout is a series of gentle yoga classes designed to help your body relax and repair from physical and emotional exhaustion. Yoga helps us to rekindle our relationship with ourselves by getting in touch with our physical, energetic, and emotional states. When practicing yin yoga, we relax into poses, shifting from our active sympathetic state to our restful parasympathetic state. By combining these yin classes with gentle movement, we can also stimulate energy flow in your body, leaving you feeling better every time you practice. Yoga for Sleep is a slow and deep yin practice that will prepare your body for a restful and rejuvenating night's sleep. Yoga for Anxiety is a yin practice designed to calm your nervous system and bring your body and mind into a state of equilibrium. Yoga for Self-Love is a heart-focused yin class with the intention of practicing kindness, acceptance, and patience towards your physical body. Morning yoga wakes up your body with stretches, gentle movement, and mindful breathing as you set your intention for a new day. Yoga for Grounding is a slow flow practice focused on bringing more awareness into what you feel by connecting to your body and the earth beneath you. Yoga for Energy is a gentle flow class that will help you to re-energize your body by releasing tension through breath and movement. Yoga Nidra is a guided meditation that will help you relax, restore, and support full body healing. As part of this program, you will receive 2 free coaching sessions to help further support you on your personal journey. Join this program to learn how to assist your body's recovery and journey towards a more centered, happy, and fulfilled you. See you on the mat.